Gratefuls, you are winners, all of you. You, the English class and the Afrikaans class. Look there, you are at video 50. It's half of 100 lessons. And even we didn't count the lessons of the first term. The things you wrote there were not even the amount of lessons you had, because we were talking and explaining and practicing on the board the things, and you didn't even write all those lessons. Okay, so you are so wonderful. Look where you've got. Wonderful. Okay, the other day, video 48, we've done the clock. We divide it into half. So everything in this circle, semicircle, is past. Everything in that semicircle is 2. When the long pointer comes to the 6, it is half past something. When the pointer goes to the 9, the long pointer, remember the long pointer, it is quarter to something. Yeah? And if it is at an hour specifically, and it moves to the 3, it is quarter past something. Here you can see it as well. When the long pointer shows to the 3, it is quarter past. Quarter past, it's this one. Okay. And when the pointer, they show only the quarter past here, but I'm doing this now as well. And when the pointer goes there, it is half past something. And when the pointer goes to the 9, it is quarter to. Right. I'm going to write there, quarter to something. Quarter past something. Okay. There they have it now, the quarter to. As we have discussed it just now. Quarter to, when the pointer, the long pointer stops at the 9, or gets to the 9, it doesn't stop there, it carries on. It is quarter to. Quarter to. And when the pointer gets there it's the hour, and when it gets there at the 3, it is quarter past, and when it gets to the 6, it is half past something. Right. As we have done here we've done the half past, and the o'clocks, but we didn't do the quarters. Okay, so we are today on the quarters. Now they say, draw the minute pointer that points to 3, which shows that 15 minutes has passed. The hour, the specific hour, but it's still quarter past. So 15 minutes is a quarter of 16. 60 minutes. But don't worry about that. Just quarter past for now. You remember, then it's half past again. Half past. And again, when it gets there, to the 9, it is quarter to something. Remember the clock I showed you with the yellow fractions? If it gets there, it's a quarter is done, another quarter, and another quarter. Right, last one I think, after 2 pages. Yes, they say draw the minute pointer that points to the 9, then 45 minutes has passed, but we'll get to that later, don't worry about it yet. And when the pointer is at the 3, it is quarter past. So again, when the pointer is at the 3, it is quarter past. And when the pointer comes to the 6, it is half past. And it gets to the 9, it is quarter to the next hour. Okay, so now we're going to do the first page only. Okay, you look at that. They say, what is the time? Read the analog time and fill it in. If you look there, the long pointer is at the 3, which means it is quarter past. No, quarter past what now? If you look there, the short pointer was at the 9, but it's not at the 10 yet. And it's also not halfway between the 9 and the 10. So it is just quarter past 9. Quarter past 9. The short one shows you it is quarter past 9. Okay. There. That's easy. The short one is on the 10. The long one is on the 12. So it is. You can write only the symbol, number symbol. For me, it's fine for now. 10 o'clock. Right. Now, here, the pointer is at the 9, the long pointer, and the short pointer is almost at the 3, but it's not really at the 3. So it is on its way to the 3. On this side, you remember, is the 2, quarter to. Yeah? So the 9 shows it's quarter to 3. It's almost at the 3. It's not 3 o'clock yet. So you write quarter to 3. And see here, I think you noticed this pencil. You know, the other day in the class, the pencil I had, the lead inside broke in pieces. So every time I tried to sharpen it, the point just fell out. So I had to use this one, which at least the lead inside is not broken, but there it is broken, but in such a way that I can still use it. Little doggy. Okay, it's a Jack Russell that does all those things. Right, the clock. The short one is at the 8, the long one is at the 12, so it is 8 o'clock. The long one is at the 9, so it means it is quarter to. Quarter to what? Let's see, quarter to. There's the 11, there's the 10. The short one is right in between there, but it's not on the 11 yet. So it's on its way to 11. So it is quarter to 11. There also, the long one is on the 9. And the short one is on its way to 1 o'clock. But it's not 1 o'clock yet. It's not 12 o'clock anymore. So it's on its way to 1 o'clock, quarter to what? 1. Right, there's another quarter to. See, the 9 is on the quarter. The long one is on the long one is on the 9. Quarter to what? Let's see. You look at the 5. The pointer is not really on the 5. It's on its way to the 5. It's not 4 o'clock anymore, but it's on its way to the 5. So it's 4:45. And this one is easy. Long one on the 12, short one on the 5. So it is 5 o'clock. Then that one. See? If the long one is on the 3. If the long one is on the 3, it is past something. Yeah? So it is 1/4. We'll see now what 1/4 it is. 1/4. Okay, now you look there. The short one is not on the 12 anymore, and it's on its way to the 1. But because it's on this side, it is 1/4. You can't now say it's 1/4 because it's not there yet. So it's just past the 12. So it is 1/4 These ones are cut off a little bit, but this is still easy to see. I think you can see it on your page properly. The pointer is at the half. So it was 7 o'clock. It's not yet 8 o'clock. So it is 7:30. The short one would have been on the 7 and the long one would have been on the 12. Then it was 7 o'clock. Now it moved halfway on its way to the 8, but it is 7:30. There it is also. There is 1/2 something. The short one is in between the 12 and the 1. So it was 12 o'clock already, but it's still not 1 o'clock. So it is half. This is half, ne? 1/2. It's just past the 12. There it is also. 1/2. What? Let's look. The short pointer is between the 4 and 5, so it was what time? But still not 5 o'clock, so it was 4 o'clock, so it's 4:30. 4:30. Okay, so we filled in this page for now. So we are going to leave you there. Thank you for listening, and congrats for being at lesson 50. Bye-bye.